Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw King Boo from Luigi's Mansion. Let's get started in the center of our page with the upper eyelid. So we start right in the middle. I'm going to draw a curve coming down and then back up on the right. We're going to draw this one more time. So starting in the center here, a curve down and then back up on the right. Now we want to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyelid. So in the middle of this curve, I'm going to tuck an oval. Starting at the top, I'm going to curve down, and then just tuck that oval underneath the eyelid. We're going to do that one more time on the right. Now we're going to draw on the upper edge of the mouth. Starting in line with the outside of the eyelid, we'll start at the left side, curve down underneath the eyes. We'll pull that back up on the right side. Now back over on the left side, we're going to draw on the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come down towards the edge of the tongue. Starting up here, we're going to curve down. And we're just going to pull that in to right about there. We're going to draw the inside edge of the tongue. So we're going to step back. We're going to curve up and then down. Now at the end of this line, I'm going to draw on the bottom of the tongue coming in behind that center line. So from here, we're going to step up, curve down, round out the bottom of the tongue. Now I'm just going to pull that up and then over towards the left. Now going back to the right side, we're going to curve the outside of the mouth in behind the tongue. Coming down and then in. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw the left arm. Starting up here, we're going to draw a curve going out and then across towards the left. We want to round out the end of the hand and then curve down and then back in. From here, we're going to draw on the body, which is a large circle. We're going to tuck this in behind the arm and the tongue. So we step back and draw the top half of the circle, going up. We're going to go around the side of the face and then pull that in behind the tongue. Now we want to draw on the lower part of the body, but we're going to add the tail. So underneath the arm, we're going to curve down and in with a short curve. Now let's add in the tail. We're going to step down, curve across, and then over towards the left. We want to round out the tail, come down and then in behind the tongue. Come down, and we're just going to pull that in. Now we're going to tuck the right arm in behind the body. So we're going to take this arm and flip it over. So let's line up the top of the arm, curving up and then out towards the right. We'll round out the hand, curve down, and then in behind the body. Now let's move to the top and draw on the crown. We're going to draw two short lines on either side of the head. One on the left, and then one on the right. Now we're going to connect those 2 points with a curve going up in the middle, and then back down on the right. Now let's add the edge of the crown. Starting from the top corner, we're going to curve out and then up. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to draw a short curve coming in and then down. I'm going to leave a little bit of space at the bottom there. Now we're going to add 2 more points. Starting on the left, curve up and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to take these 2 points, curve in and then down towards the center point. Now we're going to tuck the gem in behind the crown. Starting from this bottom point, we're going to angle up and out towards the left and then the right. From the ends, we're going to draw an angled line going up and in. Now let's close off the inside with a straight line. From these 2 top points, we want to angle down and in behind the crown. Now let's go back to the outside. From this point, we're going to angle up and in. Now we're going to go up and in with a short line. Now let's close off the top with a straight line. And to finish this off, we're going to take these 2 top points, we're going to angle down and out towards the outside point. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the top row of teeth. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a large V, coming down and then back up. Let's go to the outside and do the same thing. Coming down and in, and then back up. We're going to draw 2 smaller fangs on the inside, so we're going to leave a small gap. Draw a small V. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's King Boo from Luigi's Mansion. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.